Remember putting those Christmas lights away last year? Hire ChristmasLightInstaller.com and you'll never have to dig those things out ever again. We want to install your lights. We want to maintain them all season long and remove them without you ever having to lift a finger. Sound good? Well, our customers think so. We even guarantee our work. Every bulb, every strand, for every customer. And we provide commercial-grade materials for your roof lining. We use special clips that won't harm your shingles. So go ahead, outline the front face, the sides, the peaks, and the ridge lines of your home. If you're ready to turn your home or business into a Christmas wonderland, give us a call today or check us out online at ChristmasLightInstaller.com.